Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel DIGI3. So in this video we're gonna show you that which is the best time to post on Instagram in India. So let's start the video. First of all, I would like to tell you that you have to make sure that your account is switched to professional or business account so that you can enable this feature. So after switching your account to professional or business account, what you have to do is go on your profile and then you have to click on the insights button here, and then you can see an option called as your audience and see all. So you have to click on the see all button here, where you can see the analytics of your audience. For example, the top locations from your of your audience, and the age range of your audience, and the gender range of your audience. And the last option is the most active times. So here you can see two options, which is the hours as well as the days. So in hours you can check which is the best time for you to post on Instagram, and in days you can see that which is the best day for you to post on Instagram. So first we'll check with the hours. So first what you have to do is you can see the bar graphs. So this is the hours part. So what you have to do is tap on the bar graph and you can see that in at what time is your audience active. So here we can see that on 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. more than 600 of my audience are active. So these are the three best times for me to post on Instagram, which is the 12 p.m. and the 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and the 3 a.m. is very less, because only 96% of my audience is active. And if we check on the days, that which is the best day for me to post, so I have to click on the days option here, and I have to tap here, and here you can see the numbers are almost nearby. So I can say that on my Instagram, on every day I can post, but on specific timing, which is on 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and on days I can post any day, because on every day my audience is active. So yeah, that's how you can monitor and you can post accordingly so that you can reach out to more customers, more audience. So yeah, that's it everyone. I hope you guys like this video. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you.